Hi, my name is Nam and I'm a service technician here at Sierra Honda. Tires are an important factor in maintaining the safety and performance of your Honda. So whether you're on a long road trip or you're on your daily commute to work, you always want to make sure that your tires are in optimal driving condition. And today that's why I'm here to explain a few safety maintenance tips that can help you get the most longevity out of your tires. Checking your tire pressure regularly is a good way of indicating whether all your tires are holding the right amount of air. To find your Honda's recommended PSI settings, you can refer to your owner's manual or the place card located on your vehicle's door jamb. Determining how much air pressure your tires needs depends on the type of tire you buy and the make and model of your vehicle. Rotating your tires ensures that your tires will have equal tread wear. And an example is if you find yourself in adverse weather conditions like rain or snow, it's important to have equal tread wear on all 4 tires. Excessively low tire tread can cause premature tire failure and can definitely affect your performance in braking. If you're unsure how often you should have your tires rotated, you can refer to the intervals located in your warranty and maintenance booklet, or you can have your tires inspected by one of our service technicians here, like myself. Having your wheels aligned, especially after having new tires installed, will promote tire longevity. If you feel that your car is pulling to one side or the other on the road, or your tires are vibrating vigorously, it may indicate that your wheels are out of specification. Poor road conditions and daily driving can cause misalignment over time. If your tires are not aligned properly, it can cause premature wear and often cause a dangerous driving situation. A 4-wheel alignment will ensure that the proper adjustments are made to bring your tires back into the proper alignment specification. When the time comes to replace your tires on your Honda, our factory trained team at Sierra Honda is ready to help you find the specific tire your vehicle was designed to drive on. Our parts department offers a great selection of tires from various makes such as Michelin, Firestone, Continental, and more. We also offer 24-month road hazard coverage and roadside assistance with any purchase of any tire. Benefits of this plan include covering tire replacement or repair from road hazards such as nails or pothole damage, and a complimentary flat tire repair coverage. Here at Sierra Honda, we're always here to help you with any of your tire needs. If you have any questions regarding your specific tire needs or have any additional questions regarding the 24-month road hazard coverage, please visit our website at sierrahonda.com or give us a call at any time. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.